So for the date function, I will say define date underscore and semicolon. Now the thing you must understand here is that now function from the datetime library has a separate function for each of the year, month and day. So I will store them in separate variables. So first I will call the year variable and I will take it equal to datetime dot datetime dot now, and with this function I will call another value year. And the next thing I will do is I will create a new variable month and I will take it equal to datetime dot datetime dot now, and with it I will say dot month. Now for the day I will say day variable will be equal to datetime dot datetime dot now, and with it I will call the date value as you can see right here. So our date has been stored in three different variables: year, month and day. Now let's make the Jarvis speak these values. So now the first thing I will make it say is the current day. So I will go here and I will call the speak function, and in it I will pass the day variable, and next I will call the speak function again. This time the argument will be month, and the last time I will call it, I will pass the year. So our date function is complete. Now I will call the date function here, and let's see if it works or not.
26/8/2021.
So as you can see that it is telling me the current date without any error. So we are good to go.